TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 hours until that closing bell. Middle of the trading day. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices dramatically higher. Starting things off, NASDAQ up 95 points or 1.4%, trading at 68.01. Dow Jones up 192 points or more than 0.8%, trading at 23,463. And S&P 500 currently positive by 22 points, approaching 0.9%, trading at 25.87. We'll start things off with the VIX. Jump over here, and of course, as the market continues to skyrocket, that VIX pulling back. VIX currently trading 1167. We'll see how that shakes out depending on where the market heads for the remainder of the trading day. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. Here we go. Start things off with the S&P 500. Quite a chart for the day, straight up like a rocket ship, 2586 on the S&P 500. NASDAQ 100, even more of a rocket ship. Higher we go, 6350 on the NASDAQ 100. We'll pull up some of those high-flying NASDAQ stocks in a few moments. Crude oil bouncing around a bit, 55.40 on the January contract. Natural gas, we had EIA inventories coming out at 10:30 Eastern Time with a withdrawal of 18 billion cubic feet. Estimate was about 14 billion cubic feet, somewhat in line, but still not putting a bid in that natural gas contract. Down somewhat, 306.79, and gold continuing to bounce around right at about 12.80 on the December contract. So, jumping over, stocks flying around. We had Walmart earnings. Let's pull them up. Doing very well for themselves, making strides. Walmart up 9%, quite a staggering number when you think about the market cap of that company to increase 9% in one day, up $8.12, trading at $97.96. On the flip side of that, retail business not doing so well. Best Buy, we all know Best Buy. Best Buy approaching down 5% off the intraday lows for the day, currently trading at 54.58. And let's just jump around as that NASDAQ 100 has been flying. We'll take a peek. Amazon currently up 0.9%, trading at 1136. Quite a number, 1136. That stock was just at 1,000. Netflix up 2.5% today. Microsoft up 0.4% today. Apple up 1.4% today. You're not going to find much that's down when the NASDAQ is approaching 1.5% up on a daily basis. Stay tuned. We got our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now. And then, of course, David White at 2 o'clock, Tom O'Brien at 3 o'clock, and Andy Hack wraps things up 5 o'clock Eastern. Have a great afternoon, everybody.